To send an Interac e-transfer through BMO Bank, start by logging into your online banking account. This can be done through the BMO website or mobile app, using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfer Funds section, where you will find the option to send an Interac e-transfer. To initiate the transfer, select the account you want to send from and the recipient's details. You will need to enter the recipient's name and email address or mobile phone number, as they will receive a notification to deposit the funds. You will also need to enter the amount you wish to transfer and a security question and answer, which the recipient will need to answer correctly to receive the funds. It is essential to ensure that the recipient's email address or mobile phone number is correct, as this will be used to notify them of the transfer. You should also choose a security question and answer that the recipient will know, but others will not. This adds an extra layer of security to the transfer. Once you have entered all the required information, review the details to ensure everything is correct. You will then be prompted to confirm the transfer and the funds will be sent. The recipient will receive a notification and will be able to deposit the funds into their account once they have answered the security question correctly. It is also important to note that Interac e-transfers typically take a few minutes to process, but can take up to 30 minutes. You will receive a confirmation email once the transfer has been sent and another when the recipient has deposited the funds. You can also track the status of the transfer through your online banking account. Best practices for sending Interac e-transfers include double-checking the recipient's details, choosing a secure security question and answer, and keeping a record of the transfer. This will help to ensure that the transfer is processed smoothly and securely. In summary, sending an Interac e-transfer through BMO Bank is a straightforward process that can be completed online or through the mobile app. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can quickly and securely transfer funds to friends, family, or businesses.